Hello everyone, this is Miss Leegee, and today I'm going to show you all how to access your Quaver account. So all of your music assignments and all of those fun interactive games are going to be through Quaver and not the Florida Virtual Learning System. So we need to get you guys your username and password and linked to your class. So as you can see, I am in Schoology. I will have posted your class code and the website into your music course in Schoology. So you should be able to access that pretty easily. So the first thing you want to do is either click that link in your course or open a new tab and type in quavermusic.com. That's quavermusic.com. We're going to hit enter. And it's going to take you to the Quaver info page. If it takes you to the Quaver sign in page, you might be linked to your account from last year. Go ahead and hit that red log out button if that is what you see, and try to go back to quavermusic.com. So once you do see this page, you're going to go to this right-hand corner and click Sign Up. And here's where you get to be creative. You can create your very own Quaver name and your very own Quaver password. Keep it simple, something that you can remember. So I'm going to use my last name as my Quaver name and a password that I can remember. Then it's going to ask you for your email address. Leave that blank. Do not put an email address there. Below that, you'll see Terms of Use. You'll want to click Agree. And then here's where it gets a little tricky. You will need to enter your class code. So let's pretend I am in Miss Murray's class. I am a third grader. And so I will need to enter Miss Murray's class code, which you can find in your Schoology course through the music course. So Miss Murray's class code is 97W34. And these are not case sensitive, so if this is a lowercase w, that should be just fine. After you have filled in all of these boxes, you will click the enter button. However, with mine, it's going to give me an error saying that my username is already taken. So this is probably what you will see. Okay, it says Leegee's not available. So here are some suggestions. Pick one that you think you can remember, or you can go back and try adding something to your username. For example, I'll add my first initial and then I retype in my password. Let's see if that one is available. It's not, so it gives me these suggestions again. I think I can remember Leegee K2XX, so I will type that in. And my password. Make sure my class code is still there. It is. It's okay to hit enter. Awesome. So we are now all signed in, and we're going to click OK to enter this site. If, when you log in the first time, it takes you straight to Quaver Street, you will need to log out and try again, because this is what Miss Leegee needs from you. So when you click OK, you need to type in your first and last name. So if your username is unicorns695, Miss Leegee does not know who that is. So you will need to type in your first and last name here. If you need help with this, please ask mom or dad or big brother or big sister to help you type in your first and last name correctly. And then we will click submit. And the first thing you should see is your student dashboard. Awesome. So here is my student dashboard. The first thing you will want to check is the assignments button. So every week you will have a new music assignment, and this is where you can find them. Once you have worked through the assignment, that is complete, and then you're free to move on to interactives, creatives, all of this fun stuff that you can do on your own time. Let's go ahead and check out Quaver Street. So this is where you can find all of the interactive games. You can change your avatar, all of that fun stuff. So just as an example, I would like a new haircut instead of a hat. So I'm going to click on my avatar. I'm going to click features and hair. Awesome. So as you can see, some of these have a little number on top of them. That means it's going to cost you Quaver points, which we do not have yet, but we should very soon. You'll get Quaver points every other month or so. So I'm going to find one that does not cost me any Quaver points. I think I saw a mohawk that looked good. Oh, there we go. Awesome. And then I click save. And then here's another question I always get from students is how do I change the colors? So I'm going to click my avatar again. Now that I have a new hairdo, and I'm going to go to edit colors. Let's edit my hair color. Let's say blue. We play the waiting game. Awesome, there's my awesome new hairdo. I'm going to click save. And now I've got my blue haircut. Awesome. So from here, I will encourage you to explore. So for this week, getting you signed on, explore Quaver Street, all the things that you can do. You can go in the shop here where there are games. You can do some history lessons. You can create some music in the studio, all of that fun stuff. So please feel free to click around, see what you can find. We've got some games over here as well in the lab. You like to play the waiting game? Awesome. So explore, create, all that fun stuff. I'm going to go back out to Quaver Street really quick for just one last thing. If this is what you see when you first log into Quaver, is that you're already on Quaver Street and you need to access your dashboard, you're going to come over here to this corner and click Student. And it takes you right to your dashboard where you can see your assignments. All right, I think that concludes our Quaver tutorial. If you have questions, please feel free to email me and I will be happy to help you in any way I can. I'll see you all real soon.